Welcome to Bartender1.com's Move of the Month. This month's working Flair move is Icing Glassware. Holding the ice scoop in your dominant hand and the glass in your other hand, in an open grip ice the glass, then in large circular motion invert your hand and place the glass on the bar. This month's exhibition Flair move is Flip to Paul. Flair takes lots of work. Remember to practice moves outside the bar before you try them in front of your guests. Don't forget that smiles and guest interaction goes a long way. Watch and enjoy.